Alright, so with that first one, y'all, I literally just put it right here in the front because I kind of want it to fall into my face. After I watched a video on TikTok, I'm like, yeah, that's how I want mine to look. I want mine to fall into my face like that. I put this one right here and clipped it, and it ends right about here. So now I'm going to take the next one with 5. Alright, so that's just 2 tracks so far, and look how full it already is. Look at the fullness. And it just snaps right in. That easy. So now that's 3 clips. So now I'm taking another one here with 4. You see they just snap right in. Like, this is my real hair, so like, let's get into it. So far, 3 clips. Clips right in. We still have 4 pieces left, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Still 4 pieces left, and look at the fullness. Out of this world. All right, and then the last one. Boom. I really love these clip-ins. Like, what? And like the length, this length right here looks so freaking natural. The curl pattern looks so natural. Like, 10 out of freaking 10. Like, so tea. It's just so tea. Y'all, so I did go off camera and do my makeup, and I did fully wet the hair, and I had put it in sections, but now I took the sections out and I'm letting the hair dry. All right, my hair is dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and take out my braided leave out so I can blend this with this hair. And I'm just taking a little bit of oil and putting it on my finger so my leave out doesn't frizz up. And I think that I can already tell it's gonna blend really good. Yeah, I can already tell that's gonna blend wonderfully. So I'm putting a little bit more oil on my fingers. Cause another thing I noticed is that my natural hair can be very, very dry and dull looking. And I think it's because, you know, I need to do more maybe protein treatments, or I don't know. Sometimes my hair could just look very not shiny. So me also putting this oil on my hair not only prevents it from getting like frizzy, but it helps it to have like shine and like be more moisturized to blend better with these clip-ins. So yeah. Alright, so first side is done, and now we are going to move on to taking out this braid. And I feel like that just blends so good. Like, you really cannot tell my natural hair from these clip-ins. Like, It blends so good. Like, that braid out method works every time, y'all. So I'm taking a little bit more of this, putting this on my fingers to undo this next braid. I'm gonna do this very, very gently because we do not want to make this frizz up. I'm gonna make sure that my hands stay very, very slick and oily. There's no need to rush through this, y'all, because you do not want to mess up your curls and have to do this all over again and wait for your hair to dry once you braid it up again and everything. So let's just take our time on this part.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay, so now I'm gonna take my gummy edge control. Y'all, as a 4C girly, I've been experimenting with a lot of different edge controls, and there's only a few that like work okay for my hair. I haven't found one that just really holds my hair and like doesn't move and like really lays down my edges like the way I want. But I found some that work okay, and I heard about this one. I think I heard about this on TikTok, gummy edge control. And then if you're on TikTok, y'all know that viral basket leather one. I got that one too. So I'm just gonna use this gummy edge control right now, and I'll put like a little bit of this, you know, kind of just lay down my edges. Alright, y'all, and that is pretty much the end of this install. I fixed my baby hairs. If you want your baby hairs to last longer, if you have hair that's textured like mine, I would put on a scarf and let it sit overnight. And right here, I'm just taking some oil and putting it on my leave out because, like I said, my hair can be like very dry and dull. My hair gets very, very dry and like it looks dull, so I do put oil on my hair and try to moisturize my hair. Yeah, so I'm just touching up my baby hairs, and boom, y'all. This is the end of the video. Here are a few clips of how the hair turned out. And this is the Curlsqueen Water Kinky Curly Clip-ins in 3B, 3C texture. And these are in 18 inches. So yeah, y'all, that is how this hair turned out. And of course, I will have the links to this hair down below in my description. Again, this is the 3B 3C Water Kinky Curly. And I only used one bundle of this, y'all. I only took one bundle for this length. And I do think that if you go longer, then you do require more bundles. But for this length, this only took one bundle in 18 inches, Water Kinky Curly 3B 3C from Curlsqueen. So the link to that will be down below. Make sure y'all check that out and use my code for money off. And I love y'all so, so much. Thank y'all for watching this video. If you made it this far in the video, comment down a pink heart. And yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe so y'all can see more videos like this. And I love y'all so, so much. Bye.